Hi y'all, my name is Zaralyn and I'll be showing you all how I make rose water. Now this is my first time, so we're gonna hop straight into the video. You're gonna need 3 red roses, a glass bowl, a strainer, 1/4 of a teaspoon, and a spray bottle. Next, you're going to cut the top of the stem right below where the rose stops at. So now we're gonna peel the petals. I think this is the part where I was anticipating the most because the roses are so velvety and smooth, and I just love the process of it. It's very calming, you know. So I did look up a few YouTubers in reference of how they make their rose water, and I did find one in particular that works for me, or that I think will work. And instead of putting your roses in the boiling water, you're gonna put the boiling water into the roses. And you got your boiling water rolling. So now we're going to place the boiling water into the rose bowl. You know, I gotta have the Keytronana rolling in the background. It's such a mood and a vibe on a little Sunday evening. You're gonna just let that sit. I'm gonna press all the rose petals down so it could really steep and get in there, you know. Now, as we're pushing the petals down, we're finding that the petals are turning into a bright fuchsia, light pink color. That means it's really steeping, and you want pretty much all of the petals to lose its color. So we're gonna do this for a few moments. So I'm now gonna place a plate over my bowl so it can steep, and we're gonna let this sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. Also, you wanna let your rose water cool too. So I've let it steep for about 6 minutes, and I'm just gonna stir it a little bit more. And as you can see, the color has changed completely. I've now added a measuring cup to put the steeper in, and this was the worst decision that I could have made because it was super messy. As y'all can see, this is definitely my first time doing this type of method, and I put too much water in it. Let's just say that it worked, but it was just a lot going on, as you can see. But we gonna get it right. Moving on. So my mess is now all clean, and I had to add the remainings of some rose water into another cup. But now I'll be moving on to my oils, and the first oil I'll be using is jojoba oil, which helps with moisturization of the hair. And I did have to smell a rose water to see what it smelled like, and it doesn't smell like anything. So I'm going to be using 1/4 of a teaspoon of jojoba oil. So the next thing I'm going to be putting in my rose water is some tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps the scalp. It helps keep a healthy, clean scalp, and it helps with itching and dandruffs. Now here I'm trying to put about at least 10 drops, but it's not allowing me to. So I probably put about 5 drops in there. Oh, you know, yeah, it ain't working. So my next oil is going to be lavender oil, which I also dearly love. I love lavender oil. So I'm just going to put a few drops of lavender to give it a nice smell. Last but not least, we're going to be using grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is good for the strengthening of your hair, and it's as well promotes shine and moisture. And I'm going to be using a little under a 1/2 teaspoon, not too much because I don't want too many mixtures of oil in my rose water. And now we mix. We mix, so we feel that it is perfectly blended. Now we're going to place the rose water into a spray bottle. Personally, I would like to have it in a glass bottle, but This should last me up to 2 weeks and refrigerate it maybe a month. I'm not too sure, but I'll get that information. But that's that. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Or if you have any suggestions for me, holla at your girl. I'm very much so open. Thanks. Bye.